So, a very good morning to all of you. Under psychology and propaganda, today we will talk about advertising versus propaganda. So, what do you think? Is advertising and propaganda same thing or it is a different thing? What are your views on that? Can you see this?
Um,
Can you see the screen better? आपको PowerPoint
yes, ma'am.
दिख रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So tell me, what is advertising and propaganda for you?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
I think advertising is paid promotion, while propaganda need not to be paid always. But advertising is a paid form of promotion where we know that okay, it's a paid thing and the product is being sold to us.
Correct. Very right. Anything else? Anybody else who wants to add on? Anyone? Okay, you are very correct about advertising and propaganda. So today we will try to see the differences between advertising and propaganda. Right. So this is the definition. So advertising actually needs no introduction to all of you, as it is something which we all are quite aware of. We come across thousands of advertisements in a day. Maybe you see advertisements while reading the newspaper, when you're using internet or social media sites, you're watching television, you are maybe traveling on roads, etc. You cannot escape yourself from advertisements. So it uses the multimedia platform to promote, as you said, a product, service, or an idea, or an event. So, by using various innovative and thought provoking ideas so as to persuade customers in such a way that they buy or try the product or the service which they are advertising. But advertising is often confused with the word propaganda. But these two are completely different. Propaganda is a part of a larger cognitive campaign, mainly used by political parties or social groups to circulate information which is not purely correct, rather biased or misleading. Why do they do so? They do so to promote their point of view. So, in today's class, we are going to talk about differences between advertising and propaganda. I share. Right. So, propaganda, the meaning of propaganda, your advertising and PR, you have already understood. If I go a little bit in detail and see that advertising is one of the four tools of promotion, which implies on commercial activity of communicating the qualities and spreading awareness about the product, service, idea, event, people, even places or organizations, so as to raise their interest in it and convert them from audience to, to buyers or customers. And it is not a personal kind of communication, it is non-personal kind of communication. It is a persuasive means of communication wherein the sponsor needs to pay for placing the advertisement. And, can you please mute your channels, Shweta? Aditi, you need to mute your channel. Wait. Aditi, I'm unable to mute you. Can you please mute yourself, Aditi Gupta? Aditi, are you around? Aditi Gupta, please mute your channel, beta. Thank you. Okay. So where were I? So I was saying that the sponsors of the advertisement uh, possesses full control over the message, transmitting through various channels. As it is thoughtfully designed to draw the attention of the target audience. All the advertisements have their target audience. So the main aim for them is to draw the attention of the target audience. And advertising is performed using various traditional methods. And what are these traditional methods? These are print media, which encompasses advertising through magazines, newspapers, brochures, flyers, posters, and then billboards. Then broadcast advertising, talking about television, radio, internet. And the latest modern methods are digital advertising, which includes social media advertising, search and display advertising, emails, contextual advertising, the advertisements on your mobile phones, and then you get a pop-up, etc. You know what all comes under advertising. But on the other hand, when we're talking about propaganda, it is non-objective. It is non-objective set of messages directed to the public at large, which which can be facts, which can be rumors, which can be even half-truths. So typically meant for manipulating the opinion, ideas, views, or attitude of the group towards something as to support a cause, to change a social trend, or to advance a political agenda by using language persuasive techniques so as to invoke an irrational or emotional response from them. Propaganda may or may not be negative. We shouldn't think that propaganda is always negative. It may or may not be negative, which tends to stress on the plus points and righteousness of an idea or group. And in the same time, distorting the facts and truths along with the suppressing criticism and counter arguments. It can take the form of speech. It can be a movie. You have seen some movies on propaganda. It can be a documentary. It can be a short film. You can use music, artwork, and so forth. It attempts to present a single side of an issue as if it were an absolute truth. It is a deliberate and biased information spread by an individual or a group or an organization. They're oft called as propagandist. So these people are known as propagandists, aiming to influence the target group to accept the selected facts, arguments, or adopt their ideas, or think, act in a certain manner for which they make use of symbols and loaded language to get desired response. So advertising is an effort of an intended sponsor to persuade the target group. For propaganda is a unidirectional form of communication used for promoting a particular idea or viewpoint or a political cause. Right. So as the slide says, advertising often tells people what to buy. What to buy. That is, out of 100 products and varieties, which product fulfills their need perfectly. As against propaganda, tells people what to think. What to think. As it is a deliberate message presented in such a way to manipulate the thinking ability of the target group and adopt a certain idea or a behavior. Yeah. Let's move on to another slide and see what is there. So in advertising, an advertisement is designed innovatively to grab public attention and promoting the product or service in such a way that people are impelled to buy the same. And on the contrary, propaganda does not aim at selling the product or service. Rather, it intends to spread the thought or idea to change the mindset of people towards something, whatever it can be. right? So advertising is to grab public attention and change consumer preference, and propaganda is to twist facts and information to change public opinion by misleading the target audience. Next, the end result of advertising is the increase in sale of the company, which in turn increase the market share and overall customer base. The final outcome of propaganda is to attain majority or superiority over something, right? So if I further explain this, in an advertising, what you are doing, you're just trying to sell your product in the market. That's it. And you just to increase your customer base. But in propaganda, you're trying to attain the majority or maybe a superiority of your opinion, your idea, your views which you are spreading over any other views which are prevalent in the society at that time. So, advertising intends to highlight the qualities present in the product or service to sell them. And propaganda intends to use hyperbole to influence public opinion and views. It talks about to increase company sale, and propaganda talks about attaining majority or superiority over something. So advertising is commonly used in the consumer market so as to induce customer to buy a certain commodity. On the other hand, propaganda can be used in a number of matters. That is, in consumer market, it can be used in a political, religious, or social matters, and in the matters of discrimination and even equality. It can be it can be used to promote such concepts. So advertising primarily used in the consumer market to promote a product service. Propaganda is used in the consumer market of political, social matters and in the matters of discrimination and equality. Right? So when it comes to sponsorship, advertising is openly and deliberately sponsored. Contrary to this, propaganda is deliberate, but it may or may not be openly sponsored. In present scenario, these advertising and propaganda are widely used and are even present no matter whether we recognize it or we don't recognize it. While advertising is performed to promote the sale of a product or service, propaganda is all about favoring, opposing, or criticizing a person, idea, trend, or cause to achieve a certain political or economic end. Right? So by this, now I would like to come and discuss with you that what according to you have seen things as an advertisement and what kind of things you have seen as propaganda. Have you come across anything which is can you easily distinguish between an advertising or propaganda, or it is little difficult for you to make a difference? So any viewpoints, anything you would like to share? I can see few chats here. Okay. Anything you would like to share here? The difference between advertising and propaganda. Would you want me to stop the recording?